welcome to 2421 McLeod Drive East. I'm Catherine Kiernan with Aspire Realty, and I am honored to bring you this beautiful Plessity Kowalski Rambler for this year's Spring Parade of Homes. This house is awesome. It features 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms in the very desirable Rivers Bend neighborhood located just southwest of Costco here in West Fargo. Take a peek around and then come on in the next 3 weekends to check it out. We also are going to be doing our drawing each of the 3 weekends for a KitchenAid mixer. So make sure you stop on by, say hello, and enter in because we would love to give you a mixer. Also featured for the next 3 weekends, we have Steinhaus Fargo, who is going to be here live on scene doing complimentary VR tours to show you their phenomenal technology. Take a peek at the video that we have here. This technology is out of this world. So if you're thinking of a renovation, remodel, new construction project, they are your guys and you will absolutely want to have them as part of your journey. Again, we look forward to seeing you the next 3 weekends at 2421 McLeod Drive East. We'll see you then.